Mehraji,
Yes.
how to get Sahasrara after anxiety and anger?
Yeah.
Tell me.
Clear your right side and Agya. It causes it due to doubt in God. When you doubt in God, and then it all affect your anxiety and anger. Please give me collective consciousness. Pray to Mother. Please give me collective consciousness. Use Maha Mantra. Mother, please give me, establish my self-realization. Accept my surrender. Sincere thanks for making me a Sahayogi, Sahayogini. Massage your scalp clockwise for left Sahasrara. Formation should be Shri Mataji. Your victory over all the challenges to my ascent. And right Sahasrara, I will be victorious over all challenges for my ascent. So this you can say on your Sahasrara, then it will open and you will be better. Okay? And if there is a too much anger, that Dr. Bhanekar already told you, so you clear your Akadash Rudra. So this is all, sometimes anxiety and anger also catches your Sahasrara. And because you are not able to recognize mother, so recognize mother on your Sahasrara. Eh, Thanks to mother. Mother, you have given my self-realization. Please establish my self-realization and give me your love.
Okay.
You are the one. You are the victory over all the challenges to my ascent.
Okay.
Okay.
How to stay more time in thoughtless awareness? So, if you will sit in front of Shri Mataji, you have to open your both the eyes and watch Shri Mataji's bindi, means kumkum. Continuously, you have to watch Shri Mataji's kumkum and try to become thoughtless. So she will, so your thoughts will go away and you will become thoughtless. And when you will become thoughtless, then slowly you close your eyes and try to concentrate your attention on your fingertips and middle of the palm, that is Sahasrara, and as well as Sahasrara, top of the head. So you feel vibrations are coming from Shri Mataji and you will get more thoughtless awareness. Okay. Disturbance in attention due to physical pain. Yeah.
Yes.
Because after realization, after self realization, Shri Mataji make us spirit. See, so after realization, we become spirit, not a body. So we should not pay our attention on our body, but we have to pay our attention on our spirit. Then that pain will you will realize that your pain is reducing. Hmm? And if you feel more pain, then put your hand wherever you have pain and say Ganesha Tarva Shirsha and pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please take out this pain. I don't want it. I have to do my meditation. Okay. So physical pain, your attention going on physical pain. So, but you try to put your attention on your spirit only. So
Right.
feeling catches in four chakras: void, Nabhi, Anahat, and Agya. So void, Nabhi, and Swadhisthana, both chakra are including in void. So we have to clear Nabhi, clear in foots of water only, void and Nabhi, because void means Bhava Sagara, and Sagara means in Sanskrit it is ocean. In English we call this ocean. Ocean is a Sagar, and Bhava Sagara means it is a Adiguru Dattatraya's place. So always it clear Nabhi and center Swadhisthana clears in Futsok water only. So we do Futsok for void and Nabhi. Anahata and Agya. So Anahata means the heart chakra. Shri Mataji is there in the form of Shri Jagdamba. So we should not fear. We should not afraid. Okay, we should be fearless and confident person because she is there in our Anahata chakra. And Agya. So void is related to Agya, Ekadasha Rudra. So when you are clearing your void with Adiguru Dattatraya's names, simultaneously you can clear your Agya with Ekadasha Rudra's names. How not to react to the neglect within the collective? Dr. Mehra?
Yes. How not to react? You are to be witness. When you are in collective, you are to be witness. You are not to react in the collectivity. Though you can neglect the reaction in while sitting in collective uh, meditation. You are sitting collectively together. So that will give you a witness state to be silence in the Virata. So you connect with the Virata, take the Virata name and say to Adi Shakti, Mother, you are the Virata, please keep me in silence. So that way you can avoid the reaction.
You try to concentrate your attention on Sahasrara,
Sahasrara.
close your eyes, and if you feel something, someone is misbehaving, so don't neglect that and don't give reactions, but close your eyes, try to concentrate on Sahasrara, and whatever you see and you don't like that, so just pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, I think so, but whatever it is. So this misbehaving, I surrender at your divine lotus feet. Please give um, please give good manner to how to behave in collectivity. This type of
Take
manner
care.
to this person.
Take care of that.
Yeah.
You can bandhan for them.
You should not divert your attention here and there. Okay, try to live in witness state. How to keep the manifestation of our spirit for longer time when you are living in meditation state. How to grow spiritually and how to build new collective after coronavirus.
Yes.
It's already happening. There are so many online sessions are on, and everybody is get connected. And it is a good time. Coronavirus this is for the Sahaj Yogis. So because of this, we are really connected with the collective, and collectively we are growing. So this is we are growing actually spiritually, and we can make a WhatsApp group or Zoom meetings with the new seekers, and we can have the sessions with them. You can see this chart backside. We are going to the countryside and giving realization every month, and every weekend, miss on Saturday or Sunday, we are having the Zoom meeting with all of them. So we can conduct that way and establish them or create interest in them about the Sahaja Yoga. And everybody is somehow under the fear and insecurity because of this coronavirus. And this is the right time to speak about the spirituality, speak about Sri Mataji. And everybody is getting benefited with everyone's experience is this. Now, when we talk about something uh, about the meditation, the people are trying to listen at it. Before that, they are not having any time to listen about the meditation or anything. Now, everybody is seeking for it. So it is good that it is actually helping us to grow in spirituality, and we are getting the results also.
Yeah, new collective after coronavirus. You know, in India also, the persons who are working in health related offices, they are giving realization to quarantine peoples, and they feel better, and they give the collective meditation link to them, and those person recognize this our Yogi only, not their name, but oh, they are Nirmala Mataji's Yogi. He will guide you how to do meditation, and you will feel relief from corona. So they only talking about their experiences. Okay, so this is good for us because our collectivity is growing because of this coronavirus. How to grow in meditation when husband is not in Sahaja Yoga. If husband is not in Sahaja Yoga, so you should not force him, because Sahaja Yoga is not for everybody. Okay, we are selected persons by Sri Mataji. Okay, so Sri Mataji selected us for meditation, giving self-realization. If he is not doing Sahaja Yoga meditation, don't force him, but you have to behave very sweet manner with your husband. You have to maintain your Gruhalakshmi principle. Okay, so Sri Mataji will like it, because you have to give love to your husband. Whatever he wants, you have to satisfy him. Okay, then he will, maybe he will divert, and he will think, oh, she is a Sahajogini, and that's why she is behaving like this with me, and maybe Sri Mataji will bring him in Sahajoga, but not forcefully. He will wish to do meditation. Okay, then pregnancy related questions. Hmm.
So shall I ask some question regarding pregnancy related? And Dr. Bandekar, can you give me the answers?
Yes.
I'm pregnant now, doctor. I just made the test and it is positive. So what kind of precaution I have to take for 9 months?
Okay, this question from some person. Okay, yeah, so this lady should not take candling or camphoring, but she can put matka. If she feel uneasy, she can put matka treatment. And if she has headache, then she can take candle on her agya and watch in foot of water she can watch Sri Mataji's agya. Okay, and then headache will go away. But she has to do meditation proper way, and foot soaking 2-3 times if she has time. Okay, so it will better, because because of pregnancy the monthly menstruation stop, and heat create in that lady's body. So to reduce that heat, she has to do foot soak water, but don't put ice on your liver or swadhisthana. Okay, and put your she can put right hand on stomach and say Ganesha Tharva Shirsha. Then she feel the movements of the vortex in her stomach. And Ganesh Atharva Shirsha on stomach. If there is a pregnancy, the lady gets afraid. So she has to recite Devi Kavach on center heart, as well as to reduce excessive heat. She has to recite Hanumana Chalisa on right channel. Okay. So this is sufficient.
Yeah,
But
and one question as a
she should not give pregnant lady should not give treatment to anybody else, because that person's catches will come to her. That pregnant lady should not sit for Havan. She can sit for Havan, but long back. Don't come in front of Havan. Okay. Then
yes. Before ending, I wanted to read Srimataji is talking about the karmas. It is Hamsa Chakra Puja, Vancouver, Canada, September 13, 1992. She said, but this Hamsa Chakra does the greatest thing about which I do not know if you are aware or not. That whatever whatever are your karma phalas, that is the fruit of your actions, are finished. You are not responsible for your forefathers karma phalas, your country's karma phalas, your own personal karma phalas. Whenever whatever wrong you had done is finished, as if you are cut off from your past completely. Once this is established, then all mistakes, all wrongdoings, not only for you, of your relations, of your forefathers, of your family, of your country, of this world, anything doesn't touch you. You are aloof from it. And in this Kriti Yuga, where the Brahma Chaitanya is trying to expose and to punish people for their past karmas collectively, also country-wise, also will not be able to even touch you, because the light of this center is extremely powerful, and you will be redeemed of all the fears of whatever you have done before. You will just be beautiful like lotuses, which are come out of the mirror, and you will emit beautiful fragrance all around the world. May God bless you. So we don't have to afraid about this karma phalas. We have to, as Dr. Bandekar says, Nadhi and Vakagya, but we are really so protected. Our all karma phalas are finished.
okay.
We have to take care.
Now, last category, preventive treatment and medicine. So, preventive treatment and medicine. You don't want to do treatment, then you have to do your meditation with thoughtless awareness, morning meditation as well as evening meditation before.
No, that is about the coronavirus related. They
No.
want to know coronavirus related preventive treatment and medicine.
Coronavirus treatment.
Yeah.
So you have to take boil some ajwain, 4 black peppers, 2 cloves, 7 leaves or basil leaves 7, and little bit ginger. Boil it and drink it morning and evening, and some onion pieces also you can boil. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
It is good for preventive. This is a preventive treatment. Shri Mataji recommended this. And I will tell you, do this thing, and even you can take kurkuma powder, little bit, 1/4 teaspoon kurkuma powder in hot water, 1 pinch ginger powder in hot water, and drink it in the morning and evening. It will also help you. Then experiences from you, and take Shri Mataji told us all viruses are coming from left side. So you have to take fire treatment to your left channel and clear your left channel. Then experiences from yogis about corona. Dr. Mehra,
Yes.
you have, are you telling or should I tell?
No, you tell some, if you have received some yogi experience, you can tell.
Yeah. One couple was there, one couple is there, Mr. and Mrs. Paranjpe. They had coronavirus, and they are not Sahajogi, but they took this kurkuma powder liquid. It is coming from Himalaya, Himalaya or Dabur something. Kurkuma Arka. So 10 drops of kurkuma liquid in water, and simultaneously Himalayan Kadu neem powder. Neem powder capsules are available of Himalaya. So neem capsule, as well as this kurkuma liquid, 10 drops. So 3 times they took this, and they become their temperature went away, their cough went away, and they are free from these coronaviruses. So many experiences are there, because now this nobody is afraid because of corona, because it is curing now. If you want to say anything, Dr. Mehra?
Yes, it's a,
Yeah.
need not to say anything. You have said everything. It is no fear of coronavirus. However, we are affected of it, but it is all Mother Leela. You should see is at a witness. Yes. And self-realization and meditation and saying Devi Kavat, you can cure it. And taking this preventive measure. That is all. How to feel collective due to lack of physical contact with yogis.
If there is not physical contact, but we are in contact online, so
Yeah, online.
we are always collective. We are
Online
doing,
through Shastrara. We are collective through Shastra. Through Shastrara.
Itali
Yeah.
meditation, Italian
Yeah.
collective meditation, then Greece
Yeah.
collective meditation, then
Yeah. Yeah,
Indian
right, you are.
meditation.
Yeah.
So we are more collective because of
We are, yeah. Now we are more collective
more collective.
rather than earlier.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Bandekar.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you, doctors. I just wanted to say here that I think there on YouTube there are some questions but we could not cover. But anybody who wants to contact these doctors, they have allowed us to give their telephone numbers. They are mostly available on WhatsApp. So you can write it down, their WhatsApp numbers, and ask them personally any detailed question you want to ask. So I will leave this slide for a while. Just you to write it down, because it's impossible to cover everybody's questions. But I think these doctors were great. They had so much patience to ask so many, answer so many questions. So we can only thank them for their patience and dedication for so many years.
We all thank Mother. It's all Mother blessing.
Mataji. And thank you
Still
to
have
all.
so much enthusiasm about it. Is something.
Thank you.
Everything happened because of Sri Mataji's desire.
Yeah.
So
Thank you arranging everything, Mr. Weber and Matya. We all thank
Not
you.
only me, it's a
Yeah,
UK
we are
collective.
only
It's a Navratri team has organized everything. All the technical session is organized by UK and Matthias. We can also thank them for great work. All the team from UK who is trying to behind this scene working for this. So, and all hosting countries who allowed to happen this. It was just a pure desire that difficult time with Corona and all the lockdown, people are feeling insecure, left-sided. So this session will really help them. So
Yeah, we are only the instruments. We are all only the instruments, but Shri Mataji only organized this session. Okay? Jai Shri Mataji.
Thank you to all. Thank you.
So we
Jai
just
Mataji.
meditate and just pray to Shri Mataji, just small prayer to Shri Dhanvantari. May all be happy and joyous. May all be free from all illness. May all seek auspiciousness. And may no one suffer. Jai Shri Mataji.
Shanti. Shanti.
Shanti. Shanti. Shanti. We thank again and again from bottom of our heart to Shri Mataji, who is Sakshat Dhanvantari, for allowing this session. Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri
And
Mataji.
something which is unknowingly we have done any mistake. Forgive us.
Please pardon us. Yeah.
Please pardon
Shri
us.
Mataji, please pardon us if any mistake made by us. So you are the doctors of all doctors.
Yeah.
Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri
And
Mataji.
we'll have collective
Thank
bandhan.
you. Thank you,
Yeah,
Vaibhav.
we can
Thank
take-
you, Matas.
Collective bandhan, yes.
Collective bandhan.
Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri
Bye.
Mataji, everyone. Good night.
Good night.
आता माझे आता किती वाजले 10:30.
है ना?
हा.